Would you ever consider giving up your luscious land life for one living and working on the high seas? I don't know about you, but I would love it, except for the fact that the constant rolling and rocking of the sea would have me puking continuously. I obviously would not make for a good sea mate. But being out there would be really beautiful. You could see for miles and miles, and most always there is a sea breeze coming at you. And who knows, you can bring your fishing rod and reel, and maybe you can catch dinner for us to eat tonight.
Only 3 and 1. Bawal daw sa...
So, bumaba dito.
Dito tayo galing kanina, di ba?
Hindi. Sa 1 tayo.
Sa 1?
This is 3.
So we don't get off.
We don't get off here.
Alright,
I don't know.
we'll see.
Dito ba? Station 1. Nakarin yun eh. Station 1 tayo.
Lakad?
Nilakad na namin. Nilakad na natin yun eh. Papunta sa pagano'n. Pagano'n naman, tulak tayo.
Alright, tie us up.
Talking about? This is station 3.
Station 3 ba ito? Dito na kayo.
This is where we do get off. Okay, now, we didn't catch any fish, and luckily no one puked, so we're all the better and we're on our way. But we need for you to smash that like button. We need for you to smash it hard. If you smashed it before, thanks, and smash it again now. If you haven't smashed it, please smash it now. What are you waiting for? A big thank you.